Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today on YOUCANIC, I'm going to go over an alternate way to replace these lights. This is your blinker light and your reverse light on a 2019 Kia Forte. It's built into the bumper. There's a couple ways to do this. One is you're going to remove the whole bumper, which I have a clip about how to do that. And then you can get in here to replace everything. Or the other one, there's a plastic shield on the bottom to be removed, and then you can reach up in there on both sides, but you can reach up in here and replace it, but it's pretty tight. And here's the other option. If you're not able to reach up in there and pretty tight, you don't want to remove the full bumper, you just still need to remove the plastic cover piece that goes on the bottom. Right here, which is just held in with a bunch of push pins. It sits like this on the vehicle, and it's got push pins around on this side, and I'll show you that, and then this nut thing here and two nuts here that hold it up to the where the spare tire goes. Also, so to do this, you're going to want to remove that. So there's a screw that goes right here and a bunch of push pins down the side, and that way this can be removed, and that's why you can reach your arm in here. But you're also going to pull the bumper to the side a little bit like this, and then if you look down in there, I'm going to put the camera down there, that you can see the light element there where you can reach your hand in here and twist them out and pull the lights out. So for the reverse one, which is a 921, get the camera down there, because otherwise you're just seeing my body. Yeah, so one way, you can see it, they're right here. They're right up in here, and this is the reverse light and the blinker one up here. And it's a pretty tight, you can do it, but with releasing this bumper out a little bit, it does give you some better space to do that. And this is like I said, right over here is where a couple push pins go, and that's where that plastic shield holds up. So you can do this for both sides. Either side is to take the push pins out of the fender well and undo that top screw at the top, and then you can be able to pull the bumper side that way, and then you'll see that you can reach your hand in just gives you extra space. Reach your hand in, turn it counterclockwise. This is a 921 for the reverse bulb. Just pull it out. This one is just a pull. Just pull the bulb out, take your new one, and then press it in, and then you can be able to do that. You can do the same thing with reaching in here for the blinker one by twisting it counterclockwise, pulling it out, and then have to resituate and get down under there to be able to put it back in. But that gives you a little extra space by just partially removing this little edge of the bumper so that you can reach up in here and do it. To replace these lights when you need to. So that's how you can replace your reverse light bulb and your blinker light bulb in an alternate way. If you can't get your hand up in here, you can at least give yourself a little bit more leeway by just removing this side of the bumper a little bit, or you can just go ahead and take the whole bumper off. That's up to you. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.